Hello, kids! Welcome to Kids Paradise. Let's learn together.
A for ant. This is an ant. Ant is very small. Ant works hard. Alphabet introduction. B for bear. This is a bear. Bear is big and strong. C for cat. This is a cat. Cat is small and cute. Cat likes to play. This is a dog. Dog is playful and friendly. Dog loves kids. The E for elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant is big and strong. F for frog. This is a frog. Frog is small and green. Frog likes to jump. G for giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffe is tall. H for horse. This is a horse. Horse is strong and fast. Horse likes to run in the... This is an iguana. Iguana is green and loves the sun. J for jaguar. This is a jaguar. Jaguar is strong and fast. K for kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo carries its baby in. L for lion. This is a lion. Lion is strong and brave. M for monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey is playful and smart. N for nightingale. This is a nightingale. Nightingale. O for owl. This is an owl. Owl is wise and quiet. P for panda. This is a panda. Panda is gentle. Panda. Q for quail. This is a quail. Quail is small and fast. Quail. R for rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit is soft and cute. Rabbit likes to haul. S for snake. This is a snake. Snake is long and smooth.
T for tiger. This is a tiger. Tiger is strong and fast.
U for unicorn. This is a unicorn. Unicorn is magical and beautiful. V for vulture. This is a vulture. Vulture is a big bird. Vulture for whale. This is a whale. Whale is very big. X for X-ray fish. This is an X-ray fish. X-ray fish lives in water. X-ray. Y for yak. This is a yak. Yak has long hair. Yak lives on mountains. Z for zebra. This is a zebra. Zebra loves to run with friends. Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to our Kids Paradise channel. Thank you!